Alright, no behind. Oh, I'm dead. Alright. Woo.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
One people, it's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another banging video, guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna let Zoe do my makeup for the very first time. Not for the second time. We did that. But before I go into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, go on over to Zoe's channel. It's called what? Cooking with Sam. I'm gonna put it right here, and you guys can go over there and subscribe, like up the video them, share the video them, get your family and your friends to subscribe, because you know Zoe done a second trend. We're gonna make another channel for Zoe by herself, but she's kind of shy, so until she stops shy, then you know. But before, and guys, come here, I have another video coming out with this, so I'm gonna put the link to the video up here. Anyway, may I go forward right now? I'm gonna set everything them for Zoe. Do mash up my face. I'm not take off my eyelashes, so she's gonna beat the face. And when time I'm done, we'll see it. Alright, so come. Alright, so guys, I called my makeup artist, and I'm gonna be a very ugly person by the end of this. Yes, that too. And I'm gonna be a very ignorant customer, because if my face don't look good when time me done do this, it's gonna be a problem coming up here. You better leave a tip. Done. Alright, ready? Jump in the video. Let me shut my eye.
Okay. What is saying?
So it look like the way I do it. Foundation first.
Oh, what they normally do first?
No. It's not supposed to tell you anything. Just not ask your eyelash to do.
Oh, wait, yeah. I said the Kardashians and me.
Yes, I'm a Kardashian.
Probably by the end of this, you have very nice jobbers.
Ooh.
Maybe make it click out. Red pink. Pink. Why brown I reflect pink? You like it?
Yes, so far. Go on. Let's see, man. I mean, we have a fun.
I said Kardashians in there.
Finally. I'm not supposed to see it until I'm done, but I'm going to copy it. Let me do the grade. Little good stuff.
No.
Alright, I'm not behind. Oh, I'm dead. Alright. Woo! Flex. Gana me, I know.
A clue.
Oh, not that.
You hear new style, new dance and lift in your hand in a.
Let me be one of those African woman. Hey, you better make my face look good. I'm not opening about my eyes until you finish. What you do? Ah! Don't powder my eye now. What you doing now?
Can you believe Piper on?
What's next?
You see her?
The one that I feel open up. Come on.
Okay. What is that thing that they use? Not well, they're not like.
Gyal get upset, them sick of me, I beg.
I'm in control of your face and all. So what me gonna do right now, you can't say nothing about it, okay? Because I'm okay. I guess how am I gonna carry you? Don't say nothing, okay? It's not. Smile now. Sorry. Good process. Okay. Wait. Don't look at anything, okay? No, it's not this powder. The powder thingy. Whatever it is. Look at the camera. Face the camera. Oh, that's okay. Okay. There is one. Where is the black thing?
No, sir. Gotta get more.
Oh, it's not gonna look as good because we can't find any glue. But yeah, alright. I hope. You know, look at it. Would be painful for your eyebrows.
But that would you do? You're crazy, you got this coming here, bro.
No.
Oh,
See.
I'm on to.
Okay. The eyebrows aren't that there. It's fine. And if you think about the lip part when the center, yes, a swell.
Not up, I like my lip. Particularly the sweet and yes.
Gosh, she suck her lip.
One side bigger than one people.
It's a weird habit. No, I can't. Oh, no, I can't do it. Oh, that's perfect. I can't see it. Okay. What other feature does she have? Nishoy, look at me. Do this. 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 I can't be double. I think she has very purple eyeshadow, and I don't even remember how she looks, but I know who I'm basing her on. It could be two people if it's purple eyeshadow. Wait, it's not there. It could be two people. Don't you have any dark purple? I need dark purple. This will have to do. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Oh yeah. Second him.
Need some s'mores vanilla.
Oh, I would kill for some s'mores right now.
Which biscuit they use and make it?
Graham crackers. But you can't use the biscuit then we're coming in a blue pack.
Cup social.
What's the name? There it is. This one is slightly off because I don't like it. Look at it. Oh yeah. There? Keep on it. No, sir. It's all purple now. Uncle, I have no idea where I'm going now. He got the eye.
You got the eye?
He won the eye, sorry. Up, look up. Sometimes me on YouTube I use the as they say club social. Funny. The first reveal! Look Nishoy.
What? You don't know yet. Come, why is you have to put on my face?
The button nose. Your nose needs to be kind of small. You have a large nose, Nishoy.
I do?
I think I might just keep your head down to me. Keep on getting it. Yeah, I understand I'm gonna clean after this, and so will my fingers. Oh my god. Where's the No.
A drum roll, please. If you don't kind of see.
You like it?
Yeah, you maybe like a clone, so no bad.
You like your lip down?
Like you lip them, I say one. Lip down, no? Yeah.
What do you think she is? Okay? 1, 2, 3. The Queen of Hearts.
I don't know who that. Who that? Harley Quinn.
Alice in Wonderland. The Queen of
Oh.
Hearts at the lips.
Oh.
And the eyebrows. The weird eyebrows.
And the weird eyeshadow.
And you also look like Ursula. Isn't that funny?
So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Zoe's channel. And of course, follow her business page on Instagram. What's your name again?
Zoe's Boutique.
Zoe Wati. You can also follow my Instagram page at Jamaican Gyal Nishoy and my business page at Bougie Necessities. With that said, let's give you a final look. Pause.
Oh, that's so scary.